Most people who raise meat most people who raise meat rabbits are leaving over $1,000 a month on the table every single month. They do the math on fryer prices, $5 or $6 a pound, barely break even and quit. Then they tell everyone rabbits aren't profitable. That's only true if you only sell meat. Rabbits have 5 income streams. Today I'm showing you how stacking 3 of them gets a 10-doe backyard operation to $1,600 a month net in about 15 square feet of space. Let's run the numbers. Here's what we're building. 10 does, 1 buck, predominantly New Zealand whites, a 2-tier wire cage rack that fits in a garage corner or backyard shed, about 15 square feet of floor space. Monthly output, roughly 29 kits reaching market weight every month. 3 income streams from those animals. Meat sales, $1,150 per month gross. Breeding stock sales, $600 per month. Manure bags, $45 per month. Total gross, $1,795. Feed and supplies run about $175 per month. Net, $1,620 per month. I'll show you exactly how each number works. The right breed matters. For this stack, use New Zealand whites, fastest growth rate, largest litters averaging 8 to 10 kits, docile and easy to handle. Add 2 silver fox does if you want pelt income down the road. Their fur is dense enough to sell to craft buyers. Startup cost for the full 10-doe operation runs $1,250 to $2,250. That covers breeding stock, cages, feeders, waterers, nest boxes, and your first 2 months of feed. Lean start, 3 does and 1 buck, scale up with revenue, runs $300 to $600. That's where I'd recommend starting. Prove your local market first, then add does. Income stream 1, fryer meat sales. This is your floor. Every kit that doesn't sell as a breeder becomes a fryer. New Zealand whites hit 4 to 5 pounds live weight by 8 to 10 weeks. Dressed weight, 2.5 to 3.5 pounds. Direct to consumer on a whole dressed rabbit, $8 to $15 per pound, about $30 per rabbit. Restaurant and farm to table accounts, $6 to $10 per pound. Blended average selling both channels, about $50 per rabbit. Here's the monthly math. 10 does times 5 litters per year equals 50 litters. 50 litters times 7 kits average equals 350 kits per year, which is 29 kits per month. We hold back 6 as breeding stock. That leaves 23 fryers. 23 fryers times $50 equals $1,150 per month gross. Where do you sell? Facebook Marketplace and local Facebook groups first. No fees, cash, buyers come to you. Then farmers markets. Check your state's direct sale rules for rabbit meat. Restaurants with farm-to-table menus or French, Italian, or ethnic cuisine are consistent buyers. The number 1 mistake in meat sales, harvesting too late. Past 10 weeks, rabbits put on fat instead of muscle. Your feed cost per pound of gain climbs fast. Harvest on schedule. Income stream 2, breeding stock sales. This is where most backyard raisers leave the most money behind. A fryer at 10 weeks makes you $25 to $50. That same rabbit raised to 16 to 20 weeks, evaluated for conformation and growth, sold as a breeder, makes you $75 to $200. A pedigreed New Zealand white from a productive line goes for $100 to $150. A silver fox from a registered line, $100 to $250. Hold back the top 20% of each month's kits, about 6 rabbits. Raise them to 16 to 20 weeks. The ones that don't make the cut become fryers anyway. At a 90% sale rate, you're selling 5 to 6 breeding rabbits per month at a $100 average. That's $600 per month. Where to sell? Facebook Marketplace, your state's Rabbit Breeders Association listings, 4-H and FFA programs, and breed-specific Facebook groups. The number 1 mistake, not keeping records. Buyers pay a premium for documented lineage. A simple card showing a doe's dam averaged 9 kits per litter over 4 litters turns a $50 rabbit into a $150 rabbit. Keep a notebook. Record every litter. Income stream 3, rabbit manure. Most raisers throw this away. That's a mistake. Rabbit manure is the only livestock manure that goes straight onto garden beds without composting first. It won't burn plants. It's odorless, high in nitrogen, and in steady demand from backyard gardeners, community gardens, and nurseries. A 40-pound bag sells for $10 to $25 on Facebook Marketplace. The norm in most suburban markets, $15 per bag. 10 does produce 350 to 500 pounds of manure per month. Clean pellet collection from wire floor cages gives you 3 to 5 sellable bags per month with almost no extra effort. 3 bags times $15 equals $45 per month. It's revenue from a waste product and it takes 15 minutes a week. Find a bulk buyer, a community garden, a nursery, a landscape company, and you can move 20 or more bags per month for $200 to $240 per month from the same operation. Here's the full stack. Meat, 23 fryers at $50 each, $1,150. Breeding stock, 6 rabbits at $100 each, $600. Manure, 3 bags at $15 each, $45. Total gross, $1,795. Monthly cost for feed and supplies, $175. Net income, $1,620 per month. Timeline, first meat revenue hits at 9 to 11 weeks from startup. Breeding stock sales start at month 4 to 5, full income at month 5 to 6. Starting recommendation, 3 does, $1, $300 to $600 to set up. Run 1 full litter cycle, find your buyers, then scale. Rabbits fail when you treat them as a one-stream business. Stack the streams, meat, breeding stock, manure, and the math works. The whole operation fits in your backyard. Next video, 9 zero investment animal systems. Income with literally nothing up front. We'll break down which claims are real and which ones fall apart when you do the actual math. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Acre income, because the best farm fits in